If you're out there, you're suffering in menopause, and there is a balance. So please find a doc, find a naturopath, find even a health coach if they really understand what they're doing or can work with a doctor, someone who can help you at this kind of level, especially if you're struggling, because it matters.
And if you have risk factors, like we talked about, there are more and more doctors that are learning this way. And hopefully, if you share this with your doctor, you can share this podcast with your doctor. Maybe they'll learn some of these metabolic pathways and help more and more people. That's our goal, right, Jill? Is that
That's
more and more people are served and that we create more individualized medicine and it reaches further than just you and I.
absolutely. I would say teach the teachers and influence the influencers, that we can make a tiny shift in that
That's
way,
right.
right?
That's
Where
right.
can people find your clinic and your Instagram? Give us a few places if people want to follow you or find you.
So my website is right here. It's the Pratt Clinics. I think I'm Dr. Shelese Pratt.